If you're looking to enable dark mode in teamwork.com, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to switch to a darker theme in Teamwork, and I'll also show you why this small change can improve your overall experience. Stick around because at the end of this video, I've got a special bonus that can help you use this software for free with some exclusive perks. Teamwork.com is an excellent project management tool for teams looking to streamline their workflows. But let's face it, sometimes staring at a bright screen all day can strain your eyes. That's where dark mode comes in. It's easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments, and can even save battery life on your devices. To enable dark mode, first log into your teamwork.com account. Once you're in, go to your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select My Profile. In your profile settings, you'll see an option for Appearance. Click on Appearance, and you'll be presented with two options, Light Mode and Dark Mode. Simply select Dark Mode, and the interface will instantly switch to a darker theme. This feature isn't just about aesthetics, it can help reduce eye strain, especially for those long work hours, and keep you focused on the tasks at hand without the distractions of a bright interface. Plus, for people working late or in dimly lit rooms, it's a real game changer. You can also toggle between light and dark mode at any time, depending on what's best for your working environment. But if you want to take your productivity a step further, consider using the Teamwork app on your mobile device. Dark mode is available across platforms, making it consistent whether you're using the web version or the mobile app. What's also great about Teamwork is its robust project management features. From task management and time tracking to resource management and collaboration tools, you can use Teamwork to keep your projects on track and your team organized. And with dark mode enabled, you'll have a more comfortable, visually appealing workspace while doing it. Now, for those of you wondering if this is the right software for you, let me tell you that you can try teamwork.com for free. You'll find a link in the description below where you can sign up and get started with an exclusive extended trial. No commitments, just dive in and see if Teamwork is the right fit for your team's needs. To recap, enabling dark mode in teamwork.com is a straightforward process that enhances your workspace experience. Just go to your profile, toggle the appearance settings, and choose dark mode. It's a simple step, but one that makes a big difference. Remember, this video not only showed you how to enable dark mode in teamwork.com, but also gave you an opportunity to try this amazing software with exclusive perks through the link below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link for your extended free trial.